This AI claims it can replace your entire video team in minutes. I tested Colossyan so you don't waste your money. And by the end of this video, you'll know if this saves you thousands, or if it's just another overhyped AI tool. I'm creating a full AI avatar video from scratch. We're testing quality, realism, pricing, and who this actually makes sense for. Because halfway through testing this, my opinion changed. Let's see why. This is the dashboard. Simple layout, no chaos. To create an AI video in Colossyan, click on Create Video. You'll land inside what looks like a full video editor. Clean layout, easy to follow. Right here, paste your script. This is what the avatar will speak. Now let's change the avatar. Click Replace Avatar. Browse the options. For this demo, I'll choose Linda. That feels good. You'll notice something important here. Each avatar comes with 3 profiles: front, side back. For most tutorials, front view works best, so I'll select front. Now let's talk about voice. If you want to change the avatar's voice, go here. By default, this avatar is set to US Linda voice. Colossyan has a large voice library, thousands of voices. You can filter by accent, age, tone, even use case or scenario. That filter is helpful. But in this case, Linda's default voice already fits the avatar well. So I'll keep it as is. On the far right, you'll see the music selector. Here you can add background music. Under that, you'll find background options. You can choose an image, a video, or even an AI-generated image from the media library. I want a studio look, so I'll search for studio. Let's pick this orange background. Simple, clean, professional. At the top, you'll see additional editing elements. First, avatar. You can add or replace avatars from here anytime. Next, shape. You can insert basic shapes directly into your video. If you add one and don't need it, right-click, select Delete. Easy. Then there's text. Use it to add titles or captions anywhere on the screen. Next, media. This lets you upload images or videos into your scene. And here's something useful. Colossyan has built-in screen recording, so you don't need to switch between different apps. Everything can be done inside the platform. For this demo, I only want the avatar on screen, so I'll remove the text. And remove the logo as well. Now the screen is clean. I'll paste the script into the dialog box. One quick note. If you're using the free version, there will be a watermark. To remove it, you need a paid subscription. And yes, the watermark is noticeable. It's not subtle. It's large. It feels more like a logo than a watermark. Just keep that in mind. All right, time to generate the video. Click Generate. Give your video a title. Set the resolution. I'll choose 1080p. That's perfectly fine for most use cases. Now click Start Generation. And let's watch the result. Here's the final output.
Colossyan AI is an AI-powered video creation platform designed for workplace learning, training, and communication. It enables users to transform text, PDFs, and PowerPoint presentations into professional videos featuring AI avatars.
The avatar looks decent, not bad. It feels human. Lip sync is accurate, but there's limited body movement. That's something you'll notice. Still, Colossyan's public avatars perform well overall. They look realistic enough for business content. And for training videos or onboarding, this level of quality is kind of acceptable. And that's the full process. Simple, straightforward, easy to repeat. Now, personally, I don't usually rely on public avatars. And here's why. Public avatars are available to everyone. Anyone can use the same face in their videos. If you want something more unique, more branded, a custom avatar makes more sense. So let me show you how to create one. In Colossyan, click on Instant Avatar. You'll see 2 options. Option 1, record yourself using your webcam. This creates a digital twin based on a short video recording. Option 2, upload a photo. I already have an AI avatar photo prepared, so I'll upload that. Quick reminder here, Make sure the person in the photo clearly looks over 18 years old. If the system detects someone under 18, it will not allow you to create the avatar. That's important. After uploading the photo, click Next. Now give your avatar a name. I'll enter mine here. Select the gender. In this case, male. Then choose a default voice. I'll go with Ethan. It matches the look of my avatar quite well. Now paste the script and click Generate. Let's see how it performs. Alright, here's the result.
My name is Karthik, and I'm a 25-year-old entrepreneur driven by innovation, long-term vision, and meaningful impact. I believe the future belongs to those who build, not just businesses, but ecosystems of value.
And honestly, it didn't turn out great. The body movement is very limited. The facial expressions feel flat. Head movement looks slightly mechanical. Compared to the public avatar we tested earlier, this one actually performs worse. And this is where many users get confused. They expect custom avatars to automatically look better. But that's not always the case. Public avatars are often highly optimized and pre-trained. Custom photo-based avatars can sometimes lack the same polish. So yes, at this point, it's fair to feel disappointed. If this is the level of realism you get from your custom avatar, it may not meet your expectations. And I wouldn't recommend using it for high-visibility projects until you're satisfied with the quality. That's the honest result of this test. All right, let's talk about pricing, because this is where the real decision happens. If the price doesn't make sense, nothing else really matters. Colossyan currently offers 3 plans. Let's start with the starter plan. It costs $19 per month if you pay annually. Sounds reasonable at first, right? But here's the catch. You only get 15 minutes of video per month. 15 minutes? That's very limited. If you're creating training content, onboarding modules, or product tutorials, 15 minutes disappears fast. For most serious use cases, that's just not practical. Now, the second option is the business plan. This one costs $70 per month. And here's where it becomes more usable. You get unlimited video minutes. So from a scalability standpoint, this plan actually makes sense. If you're producing content regularly, this is the only realistic option. But here's where things get interesting. Let's compare it to the market leader, HeyGen. HeyGen's creator plan costs around $24 per month. That's almost 3 times cheaper than Colossyan's business plan. And in terms of avatar realism, HeyGen is widely considered stronger. Their avatars feel more human, more expressive, more natural in movement. Plus, HeyGen includes additional AI tools in their ecosystem. So you're not just paying for talking avatars. You're getting a broader toolkit. Yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend Colossyan right now. They've still got a long way to go and need to level up across the board. When you really compare the price to the actual output quality, it just doesn't feel worth it yet. Honestly, HeyGen just feels like the more complete, polished solution at the moment. Better realism, lower entry cost, more flexibility. And if your main goal is hyper-realistic AI presenters, Colossyan doesn't quite match that level yet. At the end of the day, pricing has to align with value. And for many creators and small teams, that comparison matters a lot. That's the honest breakdown. If this saved you from making the wrong purchase decision, make sure you subscribe. Watch this video next to learn how to create AI avatar videos with HeyGen AI step by step.